family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. We are going to review, as you see from the title, the new Gucci Flora, and this is Gorgeously Orchid, all right? So I am excited. I have worn this. I have thoughts. I've worn this for a few days, and I think that I have full thoughts for you. So let's get right into it, all right? Shall we? Yeah, let's. So we have 4 in this line of Gorgeously Gucci Flora, okay? So first we started with Gucci Flora Gardenia, okay? The pink one, the pink bottle. I have that one. I do love that one. The only thing about it doesn't last long, in my humble opinion. However, the smell is very pretty girl, very uplifting, very cute, prim and proper. So do love that, okay? And then they went on down to the Gucci Flora Gorgeously, and they went to Jasmine. That one, no ma'am, no Pam, no thank you, no jelly, no ham, no nothing. Yeah, it does nothing for me. Does nothing for your sis. Those that love it for you. I mean it. No, I don't like it. Smell like a dirty diaper, as I've said before. We gonna bypass that. It just was not for me and for my skin, okay? I did not get what you were getting. But no, I want your skin so that I can smell it the next time. But if I'm continuing with my skin, it still doesn't work, okay? And then we had Gorgeously Magnolia, all right? So that was the purple bottle. It was okay. Nothing real wrong with it. I just wasn't thrilled by it. Again, it was okay. Nothing wrong. Cool. Great, Even though it's in a purple bottle, it just didn't do it for me, which is quite all right, but it was not the Jasmine one. So let's make that clear. I wasn't caught off guard by that one. It's okay. All right. So now we have the Gorgeously Orchid, okay? And then the yellow packaging. Let's talk about packaging. Packaging, I absolutely love the color yellow. I think it just goes well with my skin tone and all the things. So I do love the bottle. I absolutely adore it. It's the same as the other ones. It's just a different color, but I do love the yellow. So I will have to say, the color is bomb to me, okay? But the packaging is the same as the others in the line, okay? So very simple. It's the same. So it's just a different color, all right? Let's talk about versatility. So do I think that this fragrance is versatile? I will say, yes, I do think that this is versatile. I think, in my humble opinion, that this could absolutely be a signature scent, because I feel like you can wear this in the winter, you can wear this in the fall, you can wear this in the spring, and you can wear this in the summer. This is really a year-round fragrance. So I feel like this can be versatile for easy reach days, if you're going into work and you have a presentation like I did. It did go good. Okay, great. It did go well. But if you have a presentation coming up, it would be really good for that. If you're out with your girls for brunch, school's back in. So if you have a parent-teacher conference or something, I think that this fragrance is very versatile. So yes, versatility, yes, absolutely, 100%. Now the pricing is $168 for the larger bottle, but you can get it as low as the travel size. Let me pause for a little second about the travel size. Now, this travel size was $39, okay? Again, I think that this is very economically correct if you are trying to test out a fragrance, right? And not purchase the full bottle. Even the smallest bottle is like $135. So, right, that price difference, the math is mathing, But I will say, where the math isn't mathing for me is that I just really want a larger travel size as far as the amount you're getting for $40.
$40. Look, man.
And again, I know that this is better than the $135, so I'm not complaining so much. But when I'm getting the same travel size and you're upping the price, and I get it, inflation, all that, blah, 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 blah. I get it, but I am like, but why? I mean, maybe 32, maybe even less, 28, but if we're gonna go up, can we at least go up in the actual travel size amount? Like, you know, I wouldn't care if it's longer, but maybe a little bit thicker, almost like a scent bird. You know, I don't know. I just feel like, I don't know if anybody's like me. You know, comment down below. Let me know if maybe we're not on the same page, and that's fine. It's okay if we have a difference of opinion, because everybody has an opinion, and it's fine. But I just feel like this could have been much less. Just my opinion. Anyway, pricing. Does the price make sense? I mean, I guess. You know, prices are going up, to each his own. But I guess they're giving us more options, right? We have a 1 ounce, so you can get the 105, or you can get the 135, which is 1.6. So sure, you know, it's okay. I think we could have did better on the price, in my opinion. But I would love to know your thoughts, but that's my thoughts. Okay, moving on. Now, does this fragrance lean more feminine or masculine? In my humble opinion, I feel like this does lean more feminine. And because of that floral vanilla note, but I will say, a man could possibly get away with this if you like that type of scent profile. But if I were to, you know, I have smelled it and tested, my thought does not go to a man first for this fragrance. Like, that's kind of what I center around. I'm not like, ooh, this would smell good on a man. Like, I'm like, ooh, this would smell good on a woman. So I feel like, again, you can wear whatever you want. I feel like this leans more feminine, in my humble opinion. So the note profile is really simple. We have vanilla, we have vanilla orchid, and we have ozonic notes, all right? To me. Now let's get to the juice. Let's get to the nitty gritty. Sis, did you like it? Did you not? Would you get a full bottle or would you not? I would absolutely get a full bottle. Now, I will say I would probably get the 1 ounce at the 105, but I would get a full bottle. I did enjoy this. It's a beautiful vanilla floral. I will say it lasts much longer than the Gorgeously Gardenia, in my opinion. This is actually probably from the line, just like in line. I love this the most. I absolutely love this the most. When I first smelt it, it was like love at first sniff. When I had it on my body, I was like, oh yes, it smells so good. I would definitely get a full bottle in this. Now, am I running out tomorrow to get a full bottle of this? No. Have I never smelt this before in my entire life? No, I've smelt a vanilla floral before, but this is gorgeous. Again, comparison to the entire line, this would absolutely be my favorite. I would absolutely recommend this amongst any of the other ones. And so for me, and I love the pink one, but it just doesn't last. This one lasts a lot longer than the original, in my opinion. All right, moving on. Next, did I get compliments with this fragrance? Actually, I was surprised. I did get compliments. Okay, so if that tells you anything, I did get several compliments with this fragrance. So People around you will smell you even if you don't smell it very heavy, because I feel like I wasn't smelling it very heavy. I did smell it, but I didn't smell it as projecting as I thought I would, but others smelt it. So yes, I did get compliments. Love that for my life. Now longevity, I just touched on it. Yes, longevity now, I will say it was about 5 to 6 hours. I don't think it lasts throughout my entire work day, but did it do the job that it needed to do and what I needed it to do? Yeah, I was so good, okay? So I would highly recommend, if you are interested in the Gucci Flora line, I would absolutely recommend Gorgeously Orchid from them all, okay? If you have never smelled any of them, smell this one. If you love vanilla. Now, this is not a cakey vanilla, but I will say it is a sweeter vanilla, okay? It is very pleasant vanilla. And you know, vanilla, there's a whole bunch of different vanillas in the world, but this one sits really good with that orchid and the sweetness in it. It just comes together. Like, absolutely adore it, all right? Well, that's all, family, for my thoughts on the Gucci Flora Gorgeously Orchid, all right? What are your thoughts? Have you smelled this? I know some of my family has smelled this and really enjoyed this, so I would love to know your thoughts. Comment down below. Make sure you subscribe and give me the thumbs up. It definitely supports the channel. Make sure that you're good to yourself, okay? Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, you better let them know. She did. Your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.